Welcome to 5 minutes Python break. Last time we were discussing about Python fundamentals, in which we were talking about the different tokens, keywords, identifiers were already discussed. We already discussed about what are literals. In that we discussed what was string literals and numeric literals. Now we will see what are collectives. Collectives, a list, tuple and dictionary and set comes out to be the collectives. List are comma separated values or data type which are written in square brackets. Here you can see A is a list in which 1 and 2 are decimal values, ABC a string literal, true is a boolean literal, 3.7 is a float literal. When we are writing this literals, when we are writing this data types in a circular bracket, it becomes a tuple. Tuple is again comma separated literals. A is a tuple over here. Dictionary is an unordered set of comma separated key and value pair. Here 1 is the key, A is the value, 2 is the key, B is the value, C is the key, and 3 is the key and C is the value, and they are written in curly bracket. Now when we are talking about data types, there are basically two types of data types, mutable and immutable. List, dictionary and set are said to be mutable, and integer, string, tuples and boolean are immutable. When we say mutable, means they change in place. Immutable means they cannot change in place. A new value has to be created if you want to change it. We'll be discussing mutable and immutable henceforth. Let us see how we are going to do further. Here you can see that I have written a list with 3 elements 1, 2 and A, and a tuple with 1, 5 and ER. I can write a dictionary D is equal to, say dictionary is written in a curly bracket. It is having, this is the key has A as value, second key is 2 and it has value, say I have given it as B. So 2 key and value pair in my dictionary D. Okay. Punctuations, dollar and question mark are not allowed as punctuation. This is the list of punctuation marks. What are unary operators? Plus and minus are unary operators. That is, we are talking about operators. These are the punctuations. This all are part of the tokens. We have already used this. A is equal to 12. A is the variable having the value 12. Type of A will give me what is the type? It is a integer. You can try this out on your computer. Len is a function in which if I am writing a string, it is going to tell me the length of the string. Apart from this, there are, say, complex literals. I'll just talk about complex literal. A is equal to 4 plus 3j. This is a complex number. If I am writing type of A, it will tell me that it is complex. Now let us see, this all we have already done. You can just go through the slide, you can pause it. Multiple assignment, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 42. All three will get value 42. What is dynamic typing? Once I have written x is equal to 10 and I am printing x, it is going to show me 10. But now I am writing x is equal to hello and I am printing x, it is going to show me hello. So to the same variable x, I can give multiple literals. 10, this is a decimal literal, this is a string literal. It will still work fine and will not throw any error. This is said to be a dynamic typing. A variable pointing to a value can be made to point to any other value during the same program. What is an expression? Any legal combination of symbols. 4 plus a, 5 multiplied by 7, 4, 5.6, minus 9 are expression. What are statements? Print hello is a statement. Hash is a single line comment. Triple single quotes are triple line comments. Functions are code which can be reused. Blocks are one which ends with a colon mark. You can see over here. That's all for today. Let's see input output next time.